So check it out. Now that I have my Copper Queen, I thought I'd get out some of my other copper engines. I have 3 of the 396s. 2 of them have the matching copper tenders. 1 of them I hooked up my one-way passenger train to. And for me, this time period of the 30s and 40s, I think Marx produced some of their most beautiful engines. They're whimsical, and yet they've got detail that's not molded. When you have the marker lights, even with the little green inserts in them, or the sand domes, or the other handrails, and of course these even have a little bell. And I just think that they're some of the nicest looking engines that Marx produced, whether it be the Mercury, the Commodore Vanderbilt's M10000 series. They were all just really neat stuff. So I'm going to run them for you, and we can check it out. We'll get them started. We'll start on with the inside one. And then we'll start the Copper Queen. And we'll pick the camera up for just a little bit and we'll follow some of them around. Some of them are picking up speed, so I'll put the copper camera back down and slow them down a little bit. And a little bit like that. There we go. All right, they all run great. They're all fun to watch. I really like the little 6-inch cars with them. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.